look at that. Yeah. Wow. That was good.
Thanks.
Oh, looking good.
It's very
Look at
great.
this beauty.
I
Look
love
at
it.
that. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's very smooth, eh?
I'll take two. Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay. I need to know about this. I'm going to talk to Jason. Let's go.
Sweet.
All right. Assalamu alaikum. Did you see what I saw just now? What a beautiful ride. I'm going to try very soon, but let's go and have a look. Have a closer look. Look at that. Look at this seat. And come here. Look. Look at that stylish. Isn't it stylish? Well, I want to know more about this stuff. So I'm going to ask the man. All right? The man's in here with me. Oh, Jason. Hello, Jason. How are you?
Salam.
Salam alaikum salam. Good,
Salam
good.
alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Well, Jason is a very popular chef with the youth, especially with the youth. And then I think you're gearing the youth market.
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
Okay, good. Now, tell me more about this thing, this beauty, Jason. Now, you're here with this. What's so special about this scooter?
Yeah, well, you're never going to have to pay for petrol again. It's electric, fully electric.
Electric?
Yes, absolutely.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's electric. So 100% electric.
100% electric. Yeah,
All right,
absolutely.
okay. That's number one?
Well, number one,
Okay.
we have a warranty with it, 2-year warranty.
Uh-huh.
It has a demobilizer.
Okay.
So you can set if you park it up, you can
Okay.
set the alarm.
All right.
Then if someone tries to steal it, the alarm goes off, and
Uh-huh.
then you take off the alarm again. There you go.
Okay, that's beauty.
So those
And
are a
I
couple
think
of
they got
things.
more space here.
Yeah, a lot of
I mean,
room there.
this
Yeah,
is
it's actually classed as the LA moped. So you
And-
can drive it on the road, goes
All right.
50 kilometers.
Okay.
And also you can drive, the distance you can drive is up to 60 kilometers, depending on your weight.
All right. Are we allowed to use the bicycle lane?
Yes, you can. I'll use it.
There you have it. You can use the bicycle lane. All right. So those are the distinct features, especially it's electric.
Yes.
Now, where do you get it charged?
So we have a charger that goes with it. We have chargers that come with it, and it takes you an hour to charge it.
So you can use it from your home domestic
Yeah,
charge?
absolutely. Plug it into the power point,
Right.
then it charges within an hour,
Right.
and our charger actually switches itself off once
Oh.
it's fully charged.
Okay, let's assume if it's fully charged,
Mm-hmm.
how many miles can I, or how many kilometers can I do?
Yeah, so 60 kilometers that's how far you can.
Man,
Yeah,
that's more than what you can do in Gold Coast.
yeah,
60
that's right.
Very good.
Very good commuting. cheap
Yeah, and it's
commuting.
also, we have safety features as well.
Absolutely.
Okay,
yes, yeah.
and well, you don't
So
have
it's all suspended as well. You got shock absorbers and
Right.
everything in front and the back.
Uh-huh.
All the motors there, the batteries underneath, and
Okay.
all totally put away. You
All
got
right,
blinkers, high
good.
beam, all the standard things you have on a scooter.
Okay. Same thing here in the Gold Coast?
Yeah, here on Queensland, all you need is a full license.
Full, I mean,
Yeah.
like
Driver's
normal
license. That's
driving
correct.
license.
Driver's
then
license.
you can
Open license,
Okay,
correct,
that's
yeah.
fine. So how long will it take, like person like me, never driven a scooter?
Yeah.
How long will it take for me to,
Too easy. You'll be a
okay.
professional.
as long you can ride a bike, you can do
Absolutely.
more?
Ride a
Okay.
bike. It's actually a little bit more safer than a bike. yeah.
Okay, okay. So what is left is for me to try.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Jason, what's this?
This here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so your phone can be resting up here, and then you have a cord that comes right down here, and you can plug it in and charge your phone. When
Oh
you're
my
driving along.
goodness! All right.
Yeah.
So you can play your iPod and you know all
Put
this
your
stuff.
headphones in under your helmet. And
Oh,
there you go.
beauty! That's good, eh? So that's look at that. Audience, look at USB port. Look at the USB port. Look at that. Okay, and you can affix to your handle, charge the phone. That's good. Hey, what else do you have? I mean, a lot of interesting things. And well, you told me you're going to offer something free.
Free, yeah.
Yes. Now where's that stuff? Don't keep it secret. Now where's that stuff? What's this, Jason?
Here you go. You get that for free when you buy one of our Ego scooters.
Wow. Portable air purifier. Look at that. Beautiful. Look, it's high tech. Can I open it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sure. Okay, let me have a look. All right. Whoa, look at this stuff. Man. So what it does is, when you're riding one of these bikes, you can just hold it onto it, or you can just affix to your.
No, you'll fix it there on the scooter, and it'll purify the air around you. You know, all the fumes and that.
Of course, especially when you're driving in the traffic,
Yeah.
you get all these fume
That's
from the
correct.
cars, and this will purify all that air. So it's brand new
Yeah,
air,
fresh air.
fresh. Wow, it's good for health. Hey, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
So,
Yeah. So
Jason,
it's
our viewers would like to have one of these.
Yeah.
Now, do me a deal. If they want to buy one of these scooters,
Yeah.
can you give them one free?
Yeah, you can get one of those for free when you buy an Ego scooter.
You heard it.
It's
You
about
heard it.
Just under $200 right there.
It's worth it. It's worth it. It's purified the air,
Absolutely.
and especially when you're traffic. And my air is clean. You have it. You got a beauty scooter plus a complimentary gift, right? Look at that, it's blue bay and also free coffee. Come on, just for coming and viewing the motorbike, you get a free coffee. All right. So make sure it's only valid for next 30 days. Come on soon. All right. Are you guys open on Saturdays? Okay, Saturdays. Okay. All right, Saturdays. So remember to come over. And well, thank you so much for this gift. And I don't need to use the scooter. I can just walk around with it, right? And purify the air.
Absolutely.
Okay, good. All right, thank you. You heard it from the man, Jason, and you had a look at his beauty. Okay, I'm sure you want to have one of those, right? Now here, a young man. How are you? What's your name?
My name's Tara.
Tara. I just saw you. That's a beautiful ride. You must be attracting a lot of girls.
Oh, yes.
Okay, all right. Now, you have seen it, and back to you, Jason. Where can we have one of this beauty?
Right here at 127 Olympic Circuit.
127
Southport.
Olympic circuit. What is this, coffee?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can we have a free coffee?
Come along, have a free ride.
Okay.
You get a free coffee with it.
Oh, that's good.
We'll look
That's
after
good.
you.
You heard it. 127 Olympic circuit in Southport. All right, it's very close by. Just come on over, have a cup of coffee, free coffee, and then test drive this beauty. All right. Then make sure that you can get in touch. There's a telephone number available after this video, and then book an appointment. Come on over and meet these guys. Maybe Jason will not be here, somebody else will be there, but make sure that you mention that you saw it in our program, all right? And have a free cup of coffee. And then, Jason, thank you so much for all the information. I'll try to get one for myself. All right, thank you, Jason. Thank you, we'll see you next time. And of course, Tara. All right, thank you so much. Nice to meet you guys. And I wish you all the best. And inshallah, we'll see you soon. Thank you so much. All right.